Hey guys, might be a little on the noisy side. We're working in the shop. Working on this Carl's truck. This is his little shorty you guys see in the video. We're doing drive shaft loops so we can put slicks on this weekend. So I'll bring you guys along for the ride.
Hi boys, I figured I'd do a little voiceover on this. It didn't take very long to do it. I've done quite a few of these over the years. They're pretty simple. There was some rivets we had to take out. That's what Carl was just doing there. But basically all we used was a piece of 1 3/4 tube. So it'd be 1 3/4 OD so that we can put it in my pipe bender. And the pipe bender I have is a square D pipe bender. Works good for what it is. I would like to buy a hydraulic ram setup for it, being that I'm probably going to do some cage work in the next little while. But that'll be down the road. But right at the moment, what we're doing is cutting. I think we're cutting up the tube, or we might have been talking. One of the two. But anyways, so basically for the most part, all we do is take some flat bar. Oh no, that's what I'm doing. I'm drilling holes in flat bar. So 1 1/4 inch flat bar is what we use to actually mount it. We're just drilling holes in it so you can put 3/8 bolts. We used 2 of the existing holes that were already on the frame, and then had to drill 2 holes. Being we are going to change this up, the one we put in there is just a temporary one to get the truck so that we can put the slicks on it. Hopefully I don't know if it'll be this weekend or next weekend we're going. I'm not sure. I know next weekend is the last for the season, but I'm not sure if we're going to go this weekend or not. I'm not sure what we got going on, but we get that all set up and everything will be good. But you can see here, I'm just chopping the tube up. We're just one single tube from one side to the other. I think I tacked it in there already. Right now we're just bending the 180. I should have brought the camera closer, but we were trying to get it done, and I wanted to film it, but you know how that is. I really should probably just wear the camera on my head all the time. Just live with the camera on my forehead, I think. But I would get a lot more content that way. Jason wanted to pull on it, so I figured, well, if you want to pull on it, you can pull on it. He wanted to see how hard it was to pull. Not that it's super hard to pull, but like to do one bend isn't bad, but when you're doing, you know, like a roll cage or something like that, it's not that much fun to do. That's why I wanted to buy the hydraulic part of it. So right now we got getting some light on the subject here so we can see what's going on. You can see we just got it mocked up in there. It's just, I don't know if I tacked it. I think I might have tacked it in already, but we got the tube in there. I'm just going to weld it all up, just MIG welding it. Like I said, not super extravagant by any stretch. I'm going to buy a bunch more mandrels for my square D bender because I do really like the bender. But there's a bunch more mandrels, different sizes and stuff, because I only have the one mandrel, which is the 1 3/4. So I would like to buy some other ones. I'd love all of them, but that is not a cheap venture. So anyways,
Guys, so you seen we got that drive shaft loop all set up. This is the truck. You guys wouldn't have seen it before. Well, you've seen it in the drag race video, but I don't think, I guess when we get the stuff from Carl. There's Carl. Say hi, Carl.
Hi.
So this is what we did for the drive shaft loop. Don't mind, it's not centered. We know it's not centered. It's just how it works. With the mandrel that I have, it's too wide. So we could have sectioned it, but we're just using this one for now, and we'll probably do something later. But anyways, we did this so that instead of having these, we're gonna bolt my slicks on it and see if we can wreck stuff. That's what we're doing. So we're putting this on to be safe, so that we can be unsafe with the tires. That's what we're doing. Anyways, that's all there is to this video. Like, subscribe, hit me down in the comments. Remember, it's not rocket science.